Imagine waking up every morning knowing you'll never miss a beat thanks to Samsung News. Yes, on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you have Samsung News, which is the #1 destination for trending, breaking, and local news. First thing first, how do you get Samsung News? Well, it's probably already pre-installed on your Galaxy device. In case it's not, you can download it for free from Galaxy Store. I've started using Samsung News a while ago, and it really does keep me updated with pretty much everything that I need to know. Your daily briefing is delivered twice a day, morning and evening, bringing you all the top headlines of the day all in one place. With Samsung News, you will stay connected to the truth with over 250 trusted sources from global events to business, politics, tech, and much more. Partners include Bloomberg Media, Fortune, HuffPost, New York Post, Reuters, and much more. To make sure you get all the headlines of the day in one place, Samsung actually works with a team of experienced news editors around the world to make sure you stay updated with everything. What I love about Samsung News is personalization. In the following tab, you can handpick your news sources. Samsung News lets me handpick the sources that I value so I get just exactly what I want, which works perfectly and makes the experience a lot more convenient. You can also handpick your favorite topics. For example, I love science and tech, so I have those on my fingertips. If you love other topics like politics or entertainment, you can set those as well, depending on your preference. You can even get news based on your favorite location. For example, I want to get updated on what's happening in New York. All I have to do is just tap on it and get everything right then and there. You can pick up to 3 favorite locations for this feature. They also added fun mini games like 6 Trivia Game where you can compete in some lighthearted competition with other Samsung News users. Samsung News is indeed a powerful news app that's going to fit seamlessly in your lifestyle, making sure that you are informed, entertained, and in control. I've personally been using Samsung News to get all the tech news every single day, making sure that I stay ahead of the game compared to the competition. You can access Samsung News by directly opening the Samsung News application, or you can swipe on your home screen and get that Samsung News feed right there, which is the way I get all my news, and it looks really good. Best part is that Samsung is consistently adding new features and changes to the Samsung News app, making sure we get the best news experience on our Galaxy device. So definitely download Samsung News today. If you haven't, you can go to the Galaxy Store and download it for free. There's also a link mentioned in the description below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, like this video, as well as leave a comment on what you think about Samsung News application. Have you used it before? And your thoughts on this. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.